Today, I'll be sharing a detailed review of the Oppo Find X8 Pro, a flagship phone featuring a dual periscope camera, slimmer design, adaptive AMOLED display, large battery, and more. I've already uploaded the unboxing and first impressions video for the Oppo Find X8 Pro. You can find the link to that video in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. First of all, the Oppo Find X8 Pro feels great in hand. It's thin and lightweight, unlike many other flagship phones that feel heavy. Its thickness is around 8.5 millimeters, and with the camera module, it's 12 millimeters thick. The phone weighs about 214 grams, which is slightly lighter than the Find X7. The camera module itself is about 2 millimeters thick. On a table surface, you can see the thickness comparison between the Oppo Find X8 Pro and the Find X7 Ultra. It's clear there's a difference, so the X8 Pro doesn't feel as heavy in hand. I've also uploaded an in-depth review of the Oppo Find X8 Standard version, which is a flagship phone with a compact design. If you haven't seen that review yet, you'll find the video link in the description below. Oppo's Find X series is camera-focused, and this time, the Find X8 Pro comes with a dual periscope camera setup. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has a triple telephoto camera setup, and even with this advanced telephoto technology, the camera module is still slim. It features a 50-megapixel Leidia 600 periscope telephoto camera with a 1.95-inch sensor, 73mm focal length, and optical image stabilization, OIS. There's also a secondary 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 telephoto camera with a 135mm focal length, OIS, and support for up to 6x zoom. This time, Oppo's phone includes an additional Quick Start camera button placed in the same spot as on the iPhone 16 series. This button has a pressure sensor, so you don't need to press it. Just double tap to launch the camera. Long pressing captures continuous portrait shots. The button works well. You don't need to reach for the on-screen photo button. To zoom in or out, just slide left or right on this button. The Find X8 series brings its biggest camera upgrade yet, introducing a powerful shadowless capture function. It features new adaptive shutter technology, which can recognize both still and moving objects in a picture. When it detects high-speed motion, the phone automatically switches to a shutter priority mode. This makes it ideal for capturing fast action scenes, like taking photos of a taekwondo performance. Before capturing action shots, the shutter can be held in advance for continuous shooting. The Oppo Find X8 Pro can capture 10 photos per second in continuous shooting mode, giving you great shots in action scenes. This feature is also useful for capturing small animals in motion, delivering high-quality photos with impressive clarity and detail. Another powerful feature is the shadowless capture, as mentioned earlier. In continuous shooting mode, you get great pictures. And as per the company, it can capture up to 200 photos in high-speed shooting, each with precise detail. There's also a separate mode available for this. Oppo's camera has excellent scene sensing ability, so you don't need to manually switch to portrait mode when taking portrait photos. It does it automatically. In default mode, the Oppo Find X8 Pro can capture photos without shadows. It also has a Hasselblad soft light portrait feature, which is better than ordinary ones. You can see the other sample photos for comparison. For everyday shots, you can turn on the live photo function, similar to the iPhone feature. In the Find X8 Pro, live photos have impressive sharpness. You can also check out sample photos from the dual periscope camera. The Find X8 Pro includes a Hasselblad portrait feature and a portrait skin tone function. If you're considering a new camera, the Oppo Find X8 Pro offers these same features at about half the price of similar cameras. On the hardware side, it comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, built on TSMC's second-generation 3nm process. In heavy gaming tests, like Genshin Impact on high settings, the phone delivers an average frame rate of 60.5 FPS, and the maximum temperature only reaches 41.1 degrees Celsius, showing good temperature control. The phone also has a power-efficient processor, which helps reduce power consumption during high-end games. It runs on ColorOS 15, which is based on Android 15. I've already uploaded a video about the new features of ColorOS 15 with the Oppo Find X8, and you can find the video link in the description below. The phone's interface is similar to the previous OS, but the system fluency is much better, providing a smooth experience. Opening apps feels smooth, and app switching animations are super silky. The phone also has system-level AI features, which I will explain in detail once the phone is launched. To turn on the AI, you just need to long press the power button. If you're watching a video and want to recognize the scene, you can use AI for that. You can also use AI in the camera app. Just hold the power button with your finger, and it will identify the phone. For office use, AI can convert images into documents, and you can also edit those documents. To conclude, both the Oppo Find X8 and X8 Pro are powerful in terms of camera performance. The Find X8 is similar to the iPhone 16, with good camera performance in the standard variant. However, the Find X8 Pro offers extraordinary camera functions and lenses. The phone's performance is also next level, thanks to the high-end processor. Despite having a dual periscope camera, the Find X8 Pro remains lightweight. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below if you have any questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and keep smiling. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.